So good morning everyone. So in last class we were doing our example problems. So I am continuing that example problems now. So next example is, so what is that? In two digit number the sum of two digits is 8. So in two digit number a sum of two digits is 8. So if you take any two digit number if you're taking the two digit numbers, if you add, that will be equals to 8. So you can take it as 6 and 2, 62. 6 plus 2 is how much? 8 it seems. So they didn't give this number, so just I have given you the example of 6 and 2. Okay, so what is this? If in a two digit number the sum of two digits is 8, if 18 is added to a number, its digits are reversed. So what is that? If 18 is added to a number, the digits will be reversed distinct. So what we have to find? We have to find a number here. So we have to find a number here. So what is the question? In a two digit number the sum of two digits is 8. If 18 is added to a number, its digits will be reversed. So we have to find the number. So if you take any two digit number, in any two digit number you will be seeing one units place as well as you will be seeing one tens place. So in the same way we are taking here the units place as, let the units place as x. I am taking units place, I am taking it as y, and the tens place I am taking it as x. So if you expand this, how you will expand this 62? You will expand in the form of 6 into 10 plus 2 into 1. Is it right? So in this case the 2 value is nothing but y and the 6 value is nothing but x. So how you can write this? X into 10 plus y into 1. That is, you can write in the form of 10x plus 5. So what is a two digit number? Two digit number will be 10x plus 5y. So therefore the two digit number is 10x plus y. Okay, so this is our two digit number. And what they told, if 18 is added to a number, the number will be reversed distance. So what is the reversed number here? The reversed number will be just, it will be 10y plus x. Only the digits will be reversed, it seems. So by condition you can write that what they told, if two digit number, the sum of two digit number is 8, if 18 is added to a number, the digits will be reversed. So if you are adding 18 to this number, that is 10x plus y plus 18. So if you are adding 18 to the original number, what is the result? It seems the value will be reversed. So what is the reversed value? That is 10y plus x. So we have to solve this one now. So here 10x plus y plus 18 is equals to 10y plus x. So if you transpose all the terms here and if you transpose this plus 18 to other side, that will become minus. So if you see that, so here 10x, I am sending this all numbers to this side and plus 18 to other side. So that will be 10x plus y minus x minus 10y will be equals to how much? 18. So 10x minus x is how much? 10x minus x will be 9x and minus 10y plus y will be minus 9y is equals to 18. So if you take 9 common from this, that will become x minus y is equals to 2. Okay, so if you take this 9 as common, that will become x minus y is equals to 2. So what equation you got now? X minus y is equals to 2 is equation number 2. So what is equation number 1? That is, they told that the sum of two digits will be 8. So that means if you are adding these two digits, the value will be equals to 8. So that is equation number 1. So here x plus y will be equals to 8. So that is equation number 1. So now we have to solve this equation 1 and 2. So solving 1 and 2. So what is 1 here? 1 is x plus y is equals to 8 and second equation is x minus y is equals to 2. So if you solve this, here plus y minus y will get cancelled. X plus x will be 2x plus 8 plus 2 will be 10. So 2 transpose to other side. So x will be equals to 10 by 2. 2 1s are 2 5s are. So what is the x value here? We got the x value as 5. Now what we have to find? We have to find the y value. So how to find the y value? Just you can substitute this x is equals to 5 in equation 1 or equation number 2. So I am substituting that in equation number 1. So substitute x is equals to 5 in equation number 1. So what is equation number 1? That is x plus y is equals to 8. So in place of y we have to write it as 5. So 5 plus y is equals to 8. So y is equals to 8 minus 5. Y is equals to, it will be 3. So we got the x value as 5 and y value is 3. So now we have to find the original number. What is original number? That is 10x plus y. So 10 into, what is the x value? X value is 5 plus y value is 3. Okay. So 10 into 5 will be 50 plus 3, that will be equals to 53. So original number is 53. Now we have to find a reversed number. So what is reversed number? So what is reversed number? That is 10y plus x. So that will be 10 into x value is 3 and y value is y value is 3 and x value is 5. So that will be equals to 30 plus 5. 30 plus 5 is how much? 35. So this is our reversed value. So this is our example. So next one. Next solution. Next example. That is so x by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. So what we have to find? We have to find the x value here. So how to find the x value? Take the LCM, or first you can transpose the terms here. So all you bring the variables to one side and take the constant values to other side. So that will be x by 2 minus x by 3 is equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. So this value I bought here and this 1 by 4 I have transferred to other side. So take the LCM now. 2 and 3 LCM is 6 and 2 and 4 LCM will be 4. Okay. So for 2 how much you will multiply to get 6? That is 3 times into 3. In the same way here into 2 into 2. So 3 into x is 3x minus 2 into x is 2x. And here for 2 how much you will multiply to get 4? That is into 2 into 2. 2 1 times is 2 plus into 1 into 1. So 1 1 is 1. So 3x minus 2x will be x. X by 6 is equals to 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 4. Okay. Now you can do cross multiplication. So if you do cross multiplication, that will be equals to 4x is equals to 6 3 is 18. So take this 4 to other side. So x will be equals to 18 by 4. So the value will be cancelling 2 table. 2 2s are 2 9s are. So what is the x value we got as? X value we got as 9 by 2. So this is our next example. So next one. Solve x minus 4 by 7 minus x plus 4 by 5 is equals to x plus 3 by 7. So we have to find the x value. So before finding the x value, first we will take the LCM of 7 and 5. So what is the LCM of 7 and 5? 7 and 5 LCM will be 35. Okay. So now here into 5, here also into 5, here into 7, into 7. So here 5 into x minus 4 minus here 7 into x plus 4 is equals to x plus 3 by 7. Okay, so first multiply each and every term with each other. So 5 into x is 5x minus 5 4s is 20 minus 7 into x is 7x minus into plus will be minus 7 4s is 28 by 35 is equals to x plus 3 by 7. Okay, so now 5x minus 7x will be minus 2x minus 2x. Here minus 20 minus 28 will be minus 48. Minus 48 by 35 is equals to x plus 3 by 7. Now do cross multiplication here. So if you do the cross multiplication here, that will be 7 into minus 2x minus 48 will be equals to 35 into x plus 3. Okay, so now multiply 7 into 2 will be 14 minus 14x minus 7 into 48. So here 7 8s are 56, 7 4s are 28, 29, 20, 33. So it will be 336 is equals to 35 into x will be 35x plus 35 3s are 3 5s are is 15, 3 3s are 9, 10, that will be 105. Now all the variables you bring to one side and take the constant values to other side. So it will be minus 14x. If you transpose this, that will become minus 35x is equals to here 105 plus 336. Okay, so here minus 14 minus 35 will be equals to minus 49x is equals to 36 plus 105 will be 6 plus 5 is 11, 3 plus 0 is 3, 3 plus 1 will be 4 and 3 plus 1 will be 4. So you got as 441 by 49. So you can cancel in 7 tables. So transpose this value, x is equals to 441 by minus 49. So if you cancel in 7 table, it will be 7 7s are 49 and 6 7s will be 42. So 6 times 2 will be remaining. 7 3s is 21. So x will be equals to 63 by minus 7. So this is our next example. So next one, solve the equation. So next example. What is next example? What is 5x plus 2 by 2x plus 3 is equals to 12 by 7. So this is our next example. So we have to find the x value. For finding the x value, we will do cross multiplication here. So we can do cross multiplication like this. So here 7 into 5x plus 2 is equals to 12 into 2x plus 3. Okay. Now each and every term we have to multiply. 7 5s is 35. 35x plus 7 2s is 14 is equals to 12 2s is 24x plus 12 3s is 36. Now transpose the terms. Transpose is 24 to this side and plus 14 to other side. So plus will become minus here. So 35x minus 24x will be equals to 36 minus 14. Okay. So 35 minus 24 will be equals to 11x is equals to 36 minus 14, it will be equals to 22. So transpose is 11 to other side. x will be equals to 22 by 11. So here this is 11 ones are 11 twos are. So what is the x value? X value we got it as 2. So this is our next example. So next one. So next one is x plus 7 by 3x plus 16 will be equals to 4 by 7. So now what we have to find? We have to find the x value. So for this also we have to do cross multiplication first. So given do cross multiplication. So it will be 7 into x plus 7 is equals to 4 into 3x plus 16. So we have to multiply each and every term. So 7 into x is 7x plus 7 7s is 49 is equals to 4 3s is 12x plus 4 16s is 64. So what we have to do now? We have to bring all the variables to one side and all the constant values to other side. So take all the variables to this side and constant values to other side. So it will be 7x minus 12x is equals to 64 minus 49. Okay. So here 7 minus 12 will be equals to 5x is equals to 64 minus 49 will be equals to 15. So take this 5 to other side, that will become division. So here x will be equals to 15 by minus 5. 5 ones are 5 threes are. So what is the x value? X value is 3. So this is our next example. Next one. 4/5 of a number is greater than 4/3/4 of the number by 4. So here 4/5 of a number, 4/5 of a number is nothing but 4 by 5 of a number. Of a number we have to take it as x. So it will be 4 by 5x is greater than 4th of the number, 3/4 of the number by 4. 3/4 is nothing but 3 by 4. Of a number is 3 by 4 into x, that will be 3x by 4. Okay, is greater than how much it seems, that is equals to 4. So here let the number be x and here 4/5 of a number of number is nothing but 4 by 5 into x, that will be equals to 4x by 5. And 3/4 of a number, 3/4 of a number means 3/4 is nothing but 3 by 4 of a number means into x, that will be equals to 3x by 4. So by problem we can write it as, what we can write, what they told, 4/5 of a number is greater than 3/4 of a number by 4. So it will be 4x by 5 is equals to 3x by 4 plus 4. Okay, so now transpose this value to this side. So 4x by 5 minus 3x by 4 is equals to 4. Here 5 and 4 LCM will be 20. 5 and 4 LCM will be 20. So how much we have to multiply? We have to multiply into 4 into 4 into 5 into 5. So 4 4s is 16x minus 3 5s is 15x is equals to 4. Okay, so if you transpose this value to other side, 16 minus 15 is equals to 1. So x by 20 will be equals to 4. Transpose this 4 to other side, that will become multiplication. So your x will be equals to 4 into 20. 4 into 20 is how much? 80. So what is the x value? X value is 80. So this is our next solution. So next one. So next one, the numerator of fraction is 6 less than the denominator. So numerator of fraction is 6 less than the denominator, it seems. If 3 is added to numerator, the fraction will be equals to 2 by 3. So if you are adding plus 3 to the numerator, if you are adding 3 to the numerator, the fraction will become 2 by 3. So find the original number. So what we have to find? We have to find the original number here. So let the number be x here. So the denominator value, they have given the information about numerator and they didn't mention about denominator. So we will take the denominator value as x. So example number 25. So let the denominator value be x and the numerator value. So what is the numerator? 6 less than denominator. That means it will be x minus 6. And by problem what they told? By problem they told that if 3 is added to numerator value, the fraction will become 2 by 3. So it is in numerator and denominator. So if 3 is added to numerator, that is x minus 6 plus 3, denominator value will be same, will be equals to 2 by 3 it seems. The result will be equals to 2 by 3. So now we have to find this x value. So how to find this? X minus 6 plus 3 will be equals to minus 3 by x will be equals to 2 by 3. Do cross multiplication here. 3 into x minus 3 is equals to 2x. Okay, now we can multiply. 3 into x will be 3x minus 3 into 3 will be 9 is equals to 2x. Now transpose this 2x to other side and this 9 you send to other side. So that will become 3x minus 2x is equals to 9. So 3x minus 2x will be x. So x is equals to 9. So what is the x value here? X value is 9. Then what is it? What is the fraction? What is the original fraction here? Fraction is here the numerator value is x minus 6 and denominator value is x. So it will be 9 minus 6 by 9, that will be equals to 3 by 9. So what is the original fraction? Original fraction is 3 by 9. So this is our 25th example. Next is next 26th example. So with this our chapter is completed. We can start a new chapter again. So here Sirisha has 9 in 50 rupees coins, rupees 9 in 50 paisa and 25 paisa coins. So she is having total 9 rupees. In that that 9 rupees are in the form of 50 paisa coins and 25 paisa coins. So she has twice as many 25 paisa coins as she has 50 paisa coins. So how many coins of each kind does she has, we have to find. So if you take this, so how many 50 paisa coins are there and how many 25 paisa coins are there, we don't know. So we are taking here the first 50 paisa coins are, let the 50 paisa coins I am taking it as x, and they told that 25 rupees coins are twice of 50. So 25 paisa coins are twice of x means this will be 2x. Okay, so twice of x means that will be equals to 2x. Now we have to convert this into rupees. So how to rupees the amount for 50 pice coins. So 50 pice is nothing but half the 1 rupee. So we can take half x, that will be equals to x by 2 rupees. And we have to find the amount for 25 pice coins. 25 is nothing but 1/4 of 1 rupee. So for that will be 1 by 4 into 2x, that will be equals to 2 ones are 2 twos are, that will 1 by 2x, that will be equals to 2 by x by 2 only. So now what is the total amount? Total amount is 9 rupees. So here total amount is equals to amount is 9. That means this 50 paisa rupees and 25 rupees coin amount, if you add, that will be equals to 9. So that will be x by 2 plus x by 2 will be equals to total 9 rupees. Take the LCM here. LCM will be 2. So x plus x is equals to 9. X plus x is 2x by 2 is equals to 9. Take this 2 to other side, that will become multiplication. So 2x is equals to 9 into 2. So x is equals to 9 into 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So what is x value? X is 9. So x is nothing but 50 pice coins. So number of 50 pice coins are how many? That is 9. And 25 rupees coins are twice of 50 pice. That will be equals to 2 into 9, that will be equals to 18. So here 50 pice coins are 9 and 25 pice coins are 18. So this is our last solution. This is our last solution in this chapter. So in next class, and what we have discussed in this chapter, we have discussed about what do you mean by linear equation, what is the general form of linear equation, in one variable. One variable means it will be having, in any equation you will be seeing only one variable. Okay, and we can solve how to solve this by using transposing method. We have solved all the problems here. Almost everything we have solved with transposing method only. And first you have to learn how to read the question. So by reading question, if you can read that question properly, you will get the answer. You can do the solution very easily. So with this, our linear equations in one variable is completed. In next class, I will come with a new chapter. Thank you.